Good morning, ma'am. Can you state your name, please?
My name's Amina Reed.
Ms. Reed, you're here today on a few matters. We're going to take them one at a time, and you're here for an initial appearance. The first matters we're going to discuss are some felony charges for aggravated assault on a peace officer, two charges, and additionally, aggravated assault with a dangerous instrument. You do have a right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You do have a right to assistance of counsel. There is provisional counsel available today to assist you. The state is recommending bond be set in the amount of $25,000. And Mr. Poston, any elaboration?
Your Honor, this is based on the fact that she's a yes on the new violent crime flag and 6 out of 6 for flight risk and risk to reoffend, 4-time felony convictions in the past, extensive prison time, history of probation violation, revocation. And we're looking at the fact that she somehow slipped her handcuffs, bit one officer and shoved another. This person is violent. This person has no qualms about attacking police officers and trying to escape arrest. 25,000.
Okay, and then Mr. LaPrade, any record you want to make?
May I have just 1 second here?
Yeah.
Your Honor, I'd ask a bond of no more than $10,000 while she maintains the presumption of innocence on these charges. She does have a safe place to stay. Her last, she does have criminal history, but her last felony occurred back in 2018. So she has substantiated ties to this community. I'd ask bond of $10,000.
Can I speak, please? Please.
Let me just going to take a look at one thing. Ms. Reed, you do have a right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in a criminal prosecution. So that's why the attorney there is directing you not to say anything at this time. Just one moment. Do we know?
Yeah. Please. Please.
Oh, sorry. Yeah. All right, city public defender, are they taking cases right now? I'm just curious. Yeah. Okay. Okay. All right. So given everything before the court is going to set bond in this matter in the amount of $15,000 cash is secured with release to pretrial services if bond is posted. Court will direct its conditions of release: no alcohol or illegal drugs, no acts of domestic violence, no firearms.
I could go to pretrial still?
So, and then if bond is posted, to follow any monitoring or treatment as directed by pretrial services. No contact with the individual, Eleanor Murphy, and not to go to the victim's residence or workplace. Court will be appointing the legal defender's office.
This is the wrong case. This is the wrong case. I never been at this house at my mom's. That's my mom's. This apartment was over here on the east side. I stayed on the east side. I don't know what this one is. This is wrong. This is wrong. No.
Hey, stop talking.
Yeah. So, Ms. Reed, the court will verify for the record that the probable cause statement does state as follows: that on October 12th, 2024, Amina Reed was upset at her mother, Eleanor Murphy, and Amina's sister, Nandi Murphy, and then states a number of different events which occurred. So that's, I'm sorry, that's for a separate matter, but that does confirm that there is the relation, despite you stating to the contrary. So that's going to be the. Actually, you know what the court's going to do? The court's going to amend its previous order. The no contact order is going to be lifted in this case. I may address that in a separate case, but the court is going to order that the defendant not return to the incident location, confirm that the legal defender's office is appointed. Next court date for Ms. Reed at this time is going to be a preliminary hearing at the Justice Court, December 2nd, 2024, 1:30 p.m. So it's December 2nd at 1:30. That'll be the next court date in this matter. And then now we're going to proceed over to the city court matters that we have before the court. Ms. Reed, you also have a failure to appear and some for a prior trespass and some additional new misdemeanor charges for criminal trespass, disorderly conduct, and you do have a candidate will be used against you. Based upon review of the probable cause statement, which is what the court partially read into the record, the court will set bond in that matter in the amount of $500. Cash is secured. The defendant is directed not to go to the victim's residence or workplace, and the court in this one will enter a no contact order as to the individual Eleanor Murphy.
That's my mom, though. Like, what is I supposed to do with
Can
that?
you stop talking, please?
Um,
You're gonna say something that you regret.
So then we have, the court will appoint the city public defender's office to represent Ms. Reed. And the next court date in this matter is going to be on November 26th, 2024. And that's going to be
Sedation.
at 1:45 PM for video review. And we have this with Judge Cranshaw. Okay, so at this time then, Ms. Reed, you are excused. Thank you for appearing today.
Good luck. Lawyer will be in touch with you about these cases.
On this, for this day?
Yes, and someone from legal defense will be